Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim Together Reborn. First, make sure you own Skyrim Special Edition on Steam, as this mod specifically requires that version. Next, download the Skyrim Together Reborn mod from its official website. For an easy installation, use a reliable mod manager such as Mod Organizer 2. This helps manage your game files and prevents conflicts, making the process much smoother for everyone involved. Once you have your mod manager ready, install Skyrim Together Reborn directly through its interface. This usually involves adding the downloaded archive and activating it. Double-check that the mod is active in your mod manager's load order to ensure it loads correctly. Finally, launch Skyrim Special Edition using the specific executable provided by your mod manager, not the standard Steam launcher, to ensure the mod runs. To play with friends, one person needs to host the game, effectively becoming the server. This host will then share their IP address with the other players. Everyone else will use this IP address to connect to the host's game. It's crucial that all players have exactly the same mod list and load order to prevent crashes and desynchronization, ensuring a smooth cooperative experience for up to 8 players. Now that you're connected, you can enjoy Skyrim with your friends. Most loot and quest progress are shared, so everyone benefits from discoveries. Be aware that combat difficulty scales with the number of players in your party, making battles more challenging and engaging. Remember to communicate often with your teammates about quests, strategies, and exploration to make the most of your shared adventure in Tamriel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.